Hi folks, welcome back to our channel. We give you all the tips and tricks for all your remodeling needs. I'm Joe for Auntie Gennaro.
And I'm Delina. And today we have a question is, can we live in our home during a remodel?
Okay, let's kind of break it into parts, but if you're remodeling a bathroom and you have more than one bathroom, yes, you should be able to live in the house, and we can isolate that bathroom. We can put up our vertical plastic barriers and put down drop cloths. You have another bathroom to use if you have more than one bathroom. So typically, even if we sign a contract for both bathrooms, we'll do one at a time. We'll get one completely done, and then when it's finished, start the other one. We usually do order everything for both bathrooms at the same time so that we can immediately start the second bathroom.
And with the water being shut off, do you shut the water off too?
Yeah, we do shut the water off, but it's only for a few hours a day.
Mm-hmm.
So like on demolition day, we would say, okay, we're gonna shut the water off at 9 o'clock and then it'll be back on at 4. And there might be a few more days where we have to do something like that, but
livable.
that makes it livable, yeah. So if you have one bathroom, that can be kind of tough.
Yeah.
You know, typical bathroom will take 4 or maybe 5 weeks to do, and you've only got one bathroom, so that can be kind of tough to live there with one bathroom. And then kitchens, your kitchen's kind of like where you live. You know, it's your heart of your home, and we definitely do kitchens with people living there. Again, we isolate the kitchen. We will usually move the refrigerator out into another room. A lot of times people put like a temporary table up, put a microwave on there, maybe a toaster or something.
Like a small little
coffee area, yeah. Because again, 4, 5, 6, 8 weeks is the length of a kitchen. So a lot of eating out.
That's okay. Less mess.
But it definitely we can remodel the kitchen and have you living in the house.
And what about the flooring? If we did like a...
Okay, so a whole house flooring,
Yeah.
That's one of the toughest things. So if you think about all your furniture and everything in your house, where is that all going when we're doing the floors?
Right.
And if we're pulling up tile floors, it is very dusty. So if we're doing, say, a kitchen and all the floors in the house, a lot of times we'll ask people to see if they can move out for a week or two.
Then you're going to do the floors first and then...
Yeah, well, we do the demolition, framing, the flooring, and then have them come back in, and then we can keep working on the kitchen.
Well, that's not too long.
And then whole house, yeah, pretty much you need to move out if it's the whole house. There's no nowhere to live, and we try to do everything at one time. Otherwise, the job is going to be really long process.
Like section, it's hard to do.
Yes, because if you're 4 to 5 weeks in each room, say a bathroom, 2 bathrooms, the flooring, the kitchen, you know, you're dragging this job out for months and months when it could be compacted into a shorter time frame. Yeah. So yes, you can live during remodeling. It just depends on what your project size is and scope, and you know, if you have 2 bathrooms or not.
Okay.
All right.
That's good.
All right, folks. Well, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel. And for more information, go to tampakitchenandbath.com.